Do my dogs like it? Part 1. Today, we're going to be testing blueberries. First is Lily. She didn't seem so much interest. Oh, but Chase sure did. That's for sure. I think that he likes it. And he spit it right back out, but let's try again. And he actually ate it this time. Good job, bud. And over here, Lily has taken her blueberry all the way over here and has not eaten it. Oh, is she gonna eat it? Oh. And I don't think so. Oh, you might not want to do that, Lil. And Lily tries again, this time right out of my hand. More licks, but no bites. Oh, there we go. And she spit it right back out again. And more paws. I don't know what she's gonna do with that, but hopefully she eats it.